Alright, so welcome back. In today's video I have a unboxing to do of something I wanted for a really long time, like a year and a half, so let's get right into it. I already started, but kind of messed up the intro, so I'm doing it again. So, this one I actually bought for much cheaper than most of these types of engines that I've seen online before. This one was like $115, maybe $120. Forget exactly how much, but it's within that price range. And these are usually around $200 now. So I think it was a pretty good deal. It wasn't tested, but even if it isn't, want to do a lot of things to it. So I'd need to do a lot of work on it anyway. I think I have a box inside of a box here. This is more challenging than I thought it would be. Just a little bit. There, I got that off. I think there's an address on the top of this. I'll try not to show that. It's on the other side here as well. That's another layer off. So now I think we're down to the final box to cut into here. Which I can pull out here. Let's open up this box. Pull off this covering. Pull out what I've bought. Here's what I bought. It's an HO scale, HO scale roundhouse Shay. Does need a little bit of work done to it. So, here's how it looks now. So I will work on fixing this, and then I'll be back once I've gotten it all fixed. Alright, so it's been a while, but I got the Shay actually working correctly now. And, well, the pins were an issue, but before I go into what I'm going to do with the Shay, I have two other little things I want to show first. I got some bobbers for free the other day. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with this one yet. I might make it a chassis out of styrene at some point, but it's one of them. Here's the other one. It didn't have wheels or a coupler, so I mounted them on so I could use it with the Shay in the train club. Which will bring me on to the next thing, which is that I want to make this DCC to run at the train club. It is loud, and I'm going to replace the engine, but apparently it's just a common thing on these. Since there's so many gears, they're just really loud. So I might not put sound in it, because it already sounds like a Shay working, kind of, to me. So, it runs really slow. Let me demonstrate. I've been running it in reverse because it doesn't like to go forward with the 18-inch curve. This is about at half power right now. You can tell it's a bit loud. That's just how these work. Let's go in forward at half power now. It does rumble a fair bit too. So that's that. Let's hook this up to some cars now and get some clips of it running around the layout. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you want to see another video where I chase a real Shay, click on the screen around now.